Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the town of Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz is in St. Elizabeth. It's one of the main towns in St. Elizabeth. However, it's not the capital. Black River is the capital of Santa Cruz. Black River is the capital of St. Elizabeth, but Santa Cruz is a main town. It's along the main road that takes you from Kingston to Westmoreland. You pass through Santa Cruz, so that's why Santa Cruz is such a busy town. Now, this is something you don't see every day. This is a tractor. It has a license plate. It's a SS license plate. Looks like it's red, and it's licensed to drive on the main road. I guess that's what the license plate means. But this is just something you don't see every day, so you know you're in country. So we're driving into Santa Cruz now. There's a sign on the right, welcome to Santa Cruz. Alright, so on the right there now is a bypass road. If you wanted to bypass to Santa Cruz town, you could take that road, but we're heading towards the town center. On the left is the St. Elizabeth Technical High School, also known as STETS. A very popular school in St. Elizabeth. Very popular school in Jamaica, actually. So we're heading towards the town center. Now, Santa Cruz is a very developed town. It has all the fast food restaurants, it has banks, it has all the government infrastructure you need for a town. It has a lot of plazas, it's a major transportation hub. So on the left is KFC. On the right is the NHT, National Housing Trust office. Very, very developed town, very busy place. On the left is a taxi stand. So now they're saying if you turn right at the stoplight, that's the Santa Cruz bypass. Left is New Haven and Malvern, sorry. You go straight, you head towards Black River. You can see that historic clock. It probably doesn't work. Actually, it does work. No, it doesn't work. Is it ticking? No, it doesn't work.